For 30 years, standard career advice followed a predictable path: get a degree, secure a desk job, and avoid manual labor at all costs. This was based on the assumption that technology would automate physical tasks long before it could handle complex cognitive work. Generative AI has reversed that timeline. By bypassing the factory floor and targeting digital knowledge work, it has moved the point of disruption from the assembly line to the office. Digital white-collar work has become one of the most exposed and vulnerable sectors in the modern economy. The data shows this shift in real time. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects employment for data entry keyers will drop 25% by 2033. That same decline is hitting manual software testing and repetitive customer service roles as firms adopt automated support tools. These roles are disappearing because they rely on the kind of repetitive digital patterns that large language models process with high efficiency. As these traditional digital roles decline, the labor market is forced to find a new baseline for job security. That security is increasingly found in the physical systems that make artificial intelligence possible. The cloud relies on massive, power-hungry physical data centers. Building this computing capacity requires a global infrastructure investment totaling an estimated $85 trillion. AI can design these systems, but it cannot physically lay wire, pour concrete, or install the cooling units required to keep servers running. Supporting the growth of digital intelligence requires a massive mobilization of physical human brawn. This build-out is driving demand for skilled trades like electricians, plumbers, and HVAC technicians. While the national average for job growth is roughly 3%, infrastructure-related skilled trades are projected to grow by more than 5% over the next decade. These jobs are difficult to automate with current robotics and impossible to offshore, providing a layer of protection that many digital roles lack. Skilled physical labor has become one of the most resilient and secure sectors of the modern workforce. Similar trends are appearing in healthcare, where roles requiring hands-on human care are thriving through a process of human augmentation. AI tools are now handling the cognitive load of diagnostics, such as reading X-rays, to reduce the time for identifying tuberculosis and HIV by 90%. Automating these administrative tasks allows nurses and physicians to focus on the bedside delivery of care and direct human interaction. In this environment, technology removes digital bloat and makes human empathy the primary driver of value. The labor market is prioritizing different skills, making trades and hands-on healthcare high-value career paths for the 21st century. This shift is moving educational focus toward apprenticeships and standardized credentials that align with these physical needs. Training for these roles is also adapting, with virtual reality nursing programs increasing licensure exam pass rates by 10%. The education system is shifting toward training the builders and caregivers that the economy demands. The hands-on jobs that were once considered fallback options are now the roles that build and maintain the future. Career security today involves manipulating the physical world that software relies on. The artificial intelligence revolution has made physical, human hands a new premium in the global economy.